Well, I can tell you right now, during the winter, we are getting so many people that are very concerned about the holes in the foundation. Here's a good picture. In between the stones, the mortar is broken down. Now, there's a void there, and not only can mice and so forth come in, and they're looking for warmth now also, but the cold air is coming in unbelievably right now. And you put your hand there and you'll feel it come in. So that makes the basement colder, which makes your floors colder, which means you have to use more energy, electric, gas, oil. And with the price increases in the utilities, people are just knocking down our door wanting us to repoint, which means to fill that in as deep as possible with a mortar to stop the cold air coming in. But not only does it stop the cold air, it stops the water from coming in, along with the dusting that happens because the mortar that was between the stones is breaking down. And when it breaks down, you have dusting on the floor, and that continually happens. So we can take care of those problems, but really, I think one of the most important things is it helps the structural integrity of the foundation, because these stones that had mortar in between are starting to shift. So by putting the mortar as deep in as we can, it's going to help it to stop shifting. And with this cold weather, in fact, we're having some cold weather this weekend. I don't care if you're in Mass, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, or Connecticut, which we service, you are going to have cold air coming in, which then causes or can cause frozen pipes in these old houses that have stone foundations. So we're more than happy to take care of you, as we've been doing for 30 years, people in New England with stone foundations.